ChatGPT's parent company OpenAI has just launched its first ever AI agent and they are calling it Operator. This is not just a tool, it's the beginning of a revolution where AI agents don't just assist, they take over the most boring tasks. Imagine this: booking a table for your dinner, ordering groceries, managing travel plans, even completing online quizzes. Tasks that usually take up your precious time, all handled for you seamlessly, effortlessly. If you are still stuck doing these things manually, you are wasting time. Time that could be spent building your dreams or enjoying moments with your loved ones. In the next few minutes, I am going to show you why Operator is not just another AI product, it's your new superpower. Are you ready to unlock it? Hi, I am Gaurav Kamboj, your AI skill maker, and I am on a mission to help you achieve your goals faster, smarter, and better with the power of AI. And today, I am here to do the same for you. Now, we are diving into the game changing world of Operator by OpenAI. If you are ever felt stuck in the daily grind, overwhelmed by repetitive tasks, or wished you had more time for your dreams, then Operator is exactly what you have been waiting for. This is not just a glimpse into the future, it's the present, and it's ready to revolutionize how you work and live. Let's face it, life often feels like an endless to do list, doesn't it? Booking tickets, planning dinners, shopping for groceries, it can be exhausting. But what if you could automate all of that? Imagine how much time and energy you would save. Let's enter Operator by OpenAI. Imagine this: you are planning a special dinner with your family, but your day is packed with work. Instead of stressing, you simply type book a table for 2 at 7 pm at China Live. And that's it. Operator takes over. It opens a browser, navigate to open table, finds the restaurant, check availability, and even suggest an alternative time if 7 pm is not available. Meanwhile, you are spending quality time with your family, not glued to your laptop. Think about that. It's like having a personal assistant who never complains, never takes breaks, and always gets the job done. So, how does Operator actually do this? Here's where it gets exciting. It's powered by OpenAI's revolutionary QA model. Unlike traditional AI tools that rely on API, Operator interacts with websites exactly like a human would. It clicks buttons, types in the fields, and navigates using a virtual browser in the cloud. Let's say you need groceries. You upload a photo of your shopping list, just a photo. Operator scans the list, identifies the item, and places the order from your preferred store. Sounds like magic, doesn't it? But it's real. But here's the real question: what's the value of your time? Every second spent on repetitive tasks is time you will never get back. Time you could spend chasing your dreams, bonding with your family, or simply unwinding after a long day. Operator is not just about saving minutes, it's about reclaiming your life. Think about it. How much would you pay for that kind of freedom? Now, I know what you might be thinking. Can I trust Operator to get it right? As per demonstrated by OpenAI team, the answer is yes. They said Operator is designed with safety and control in mind. Before making any big decision like booking a hotel or making a purchase, Operator pauses and asks for your confirmation. And when it comes to sensitive actions like logging into your accounts, Operator hand over it back to you for the final confirmation. Think of it as a teamwork. You lead and Operator follows. Now, before we wrap up, here's something important to know about Operator. As of now, it's only available for the US market, not in other countries including India. And even the US, it's exclusively to ChatGPT Pro plan subscriber. If you are wondering, the Pro plan, it comes at $200 per month, which is 17,000 plus rupees per month. So it's designed for the serious users looking to push the boundaries of what AI can do. Now, I know what you are thinking, when it will be available for us. That's the big question. If we look at OpenAI history, they announced their AI video creation platform Sora in February 2024, but did not launch it to the public until December 2024. And now they have announced Operator in January 2025. Will we have to wait almost a year again? Only time will tell. But here's the thing, you don't have to wait to start exploring the world of AI agents. If you are excited to learn how to build advanced AI agents for your business or profession, you can join my paid community. There, I will teach you how to harness AI to automate your workflows, scale your businesses, and unlock endless possibilities. This is just the beginning. Tools like Operator are shaping the future of work and life, and I am here to make sure you are not just prepared, you are leading the way. So here's what I want you to do. Hit the subscribe button to stay updated on the latest AI trends. Leave a comment below. What's the first thing you would delegate to an AI agent like Operator? And if you are serious about mastering AI, check out the link below to join my community. I'm Gaurav Kamboj, your AI skill maker. Together we will uncover more tools, more hacks, and more ways to stay ahead in this AI powered revolution. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.